Hello, in this video I will be showing you the spot welder machine that I have designed for the lithium-ion cells. Uh, I have made previously different versions of this, but unfortunately there were no videos for those. But now since this is the ultimate version of it, and you are going to see the best results from this machine, and later I will also explain you in another video the detailed design of this project, so you can build this project by yourself at home. So first of all, we are going to see how this spot welder is working, so you might get more interested in the detailed version of how you can build it yourself. Okay, so first of all, as we all know that lithium ion cells, when we want to join them either in series or in parallel, so there is always a spot welding machine required, so we can use such kind of strips to spot them properly. But since we cannot use the soldering method, because the soldering may actually damage the cells, so what we have to do is we need to use this strip, place it on this the terminals of this battery, and spot them or weld them in a way that the strip should be connected properly without any loose connections with the terminals of the battery. So let me just set my camera here so you can have a better look of the spot welds that I'm getting from this machine. Alright, so about these settings, the first one, that is the which is the display that is showing 01 in green. This is actually the time for which or the time period for which the transformer will stay on. For example, if I turn this knob to higher value, say 30, so it will last or turn on for a longer period as compared to if I reduce the time. Alright, so this is actually the time for which the transformer will stay on, and this switch, that is the triac, will keep that transformer on for the period of time we have set it right here using this knob. While the second knob, that is this one, is actually how much actually the power is being delivered to the output, that is on this these two cables, and that setting is actually set again through that triac. Okay, so without wasting any more time, first we are going to keep this setting, that is 01 and 30, that is the very initial settings of this circuit. And what I'm going to use, I'm going to just use this single lithium ion cell before welding. Ensure that the terminals of the battery are well cleaned, and if there are any residue left, since I'm using these used cells just for the sake of this video, so if you are using any kind of used cells, ensure to clean the terminals before spot welding the new strips on this, otherwise the spot will not be in the perfect way that you want. Alright, so let me first clean it. Alright, so the surface of the cell is now cleaned, and now I'm going to use a fresh strip of this wire here. I'm going to place it on the cell, and the next task is just to hold this properly. Try to hold it exactly vertical, and then we are going to press this arm, so the switch right here is going to give the trigger to the circuit. and that's it. I'm going to show you only a single pulse, not double or triple, because that will not show us the actual performance of the spot welder. Alright, so if I just zoom it properly or focus it, so you can see the uh, spot welding of the machine here, and the method that most people usually do to check the performance of the machine is by pulling the strip. So if the strip gets easily detached, that means that the spot welding has not been done properly. All right, so let's just check this, and by that, after that, we are going to straighten up this strip to closely see if there are actual holes which have been done, because that is the way. I don't know if you can see the holes right there. That means the welt has been done in a very beautiful fashion, that as a good spot welder should give, right? Now let's just increase the power of the spot welder to the maximum, and from this point onwards I have achieved the best results. So let's try the same process again. Place the strip and hold the arm vertically, and then just now there was a very little spark on the strip, and a very light smoke that actually shows that for the period for which the spot welding was being done, the strip was melted properly on the cell. So now again we are going to pull this strip, and now I'm going to focus it properly so that you can see if the spot welding has been done properly. And as you can see right here, that the strip has been partial part of the strip is now welded onto this cell, and that is the residue is on this cell, which shows us that the weld has been done properly. For a more better result, now what we are going to do is we are going to go from 01 to 02. That is, we are now going to increase the time of the on time of the transformer from 01 to 02. Now I am going to cut this strip again so we can have a fresh strip for the weld, and this time I'm going to use it on the top side of the cell. Let me just grab another cell with a more cleaner surface, and here what we are going to do is repeat the same process. I don't know if you can see the smoke that is coming out while the spot welding is being done, which shows how good the weld is being done on this cell. Now we are going to pull this strip again, and we are going to inspect it closely. And as you can see here, the strip has been teared apart, and residue is left over here, if you can see it. So this shows that the weld has been done properly. Now let's try this again on the uh, other side of the cell. Alright, so let's try to pull it. And here we can see how strong the welds are being done through this machine, right? So I'm going to show you one more time, and this time we are going to again select another cell with a clean surface, like this one. This time I have um, welded the strip twice on the cell, and as you can check out the burn marks, which shows that the weld is the actual one which is required for these cells. Now if we just try to pull this, it is not so easy now to take this strip apart from the cell. I'm going to use this plier, and I'm going to try to show you at the same time. So as you can see here, uh, again, that the strip has been teared while the part of the strip has been still attached to the terminal of the cell. So actually this shows a good performance of this spot welder machine, and each time I'm using the this machine, these results are same, which shows us that the now we can call this the ultimate performance of a DIY spot welder. There are other videos, a lot of videos on YouTube, where people have also designed a very good spot welder machines. Some of them are DC spot welders, where they have used like the 12-volt batteries, or they have used the AC transformer, or even in the DC they have also used a capacitor. But what I believe is, if you want to use any machine for this purpose, then it should be AC, as I mostly keep this kind of machine attached to the mains, so that I can get the maximum power, and I don't have to charge the batteries before the using that machine, right? So now I'm going to give a little brief on the machine right here. The detailed video will be coming very soon on this, and in that video I'm going to actually make a proper casing of this, because right now, since the 220 lines are all exposed over here, so it's quite a risk to use this machine in this way, right? So I'm going to make a proper casing for this, and on that same video in that same video I'm going to also brief you in a more detailed version. So as you can see here, we have this let me just also uh, take the camera in my hand so we can discuss and see some of the parts of this machine. First of all, as you can see here, that the 220 line is coming first onto this circuit breaker, which I have added to ensure that if there is any malfunction of the circuit, so the circuit breaker will just turn off everything over here. And after this circuit breaker, we have this main transformer over here, and next we have this little transformer which is actually turning on this circuit right here. And then we have this connector for the trigger switch, which is already attached with inside this arm, right? So since we can easily get this circuit online, the actual performance lies in the design of this transformer. Lots of people have used single turns, 2 or 3 turns. For some designs, that is single or 2 turns might have worked, but I have also designed those type of transformers, but their performance is not as expected from any good spot welder machine. So right now I have used up to I think it was 8 or 9 turns. I will recheck my calculations chart, and then I will to explain it in the next video. And the actual voltage that I'm getting on these terminals are 8.5 volts, and that is the minimum voltage, you can say, which will give you better results. And why is that? That will be explained in the detailed version of this the design of this spot welder machine. All right, so I hope you have liked this video. If you have any comments related to this machine, you can just simply write them in the comment section of the video, and I will try to answer to all your queries related to this machine. So that's all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, then like, subscribe and comment on this video, so we can have you can have more interesting videos on your YouTube front page. Thank you very much. Bye bye.